Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Imagine diving into epic Final Fantasy adventures directly on your iPhone or iPad, all while using your trusty PlayStation 4 controller. This incredible setup brings console-level precision and comfort right into your hands, whether you are commuting or just relaxing at home. Say goodbye to awkward touch controls and hello to a truly immersive experience. Get ready to rediscover your favorite Final Fantasy worlds with the tactile feedback you love, making every battle and exploration feel perfectly natural. First things first, let's talk about what you will need for this fantastic setup in 2025. Your iPhone or iPad should ideally be running iOS 17 or a newer version to guarantee the best compatibility and performance. Of course, have your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller fully charged and within reach. Most importantly, double-check that your specific Final Fantasy game title explicitly supports external game controllers, although nearly all current ones do. This ensures a seamless and frustration-free gaming journey right from the start. Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller to your iOS device is incredibly straightforward, almost magical. Start by opening your iOS device's settings and navigate to the Bluetooth menu, making sure it is turned on. Next, grab your DualShock 4 controller. Simultaneously press and hold both the PS button and the share button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Your controller will then appear in the Bluetooth devices list on your iPhone or iPad. Just tap on DualShock 4 wireless controller to pair, and you are good to go. Once connected, hop into your chosen Final Fantasy game and head straight to its settings menu. This is where you can truly fine-tune your experience. Look for sections labeled Controller, Gamepad, or Input to explore available options. Here, you can usually remap buttons to your liking, adjust camera sensitivity, or even invert the Y-axis if that is your preference. Taking a few moments to customize these settings ensures every spell cast, and sword swing feels perfectly intuitive and responsive during your adventures. To truly elevate your Final Fantasy experience on iOS, here are a few pro tips. Always ensure both your PlayStation 4 controller and your iPhone or iPad are well charged before diving into long sessions. Using a comfortable phone clip, mount can transform your setup into a true handheld console, enhancing ergonomics and immersion significantly. Finally, closing any unnecessary background applications will help your device focus its power on the game, ensuring smoother gameplay and reduced latency. Enjoy countless hours of epic Final Fantasy adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.